Welcome to Vancouver House. A couple living in West Vancouver with two kids had a plan. They wanted a home where their family could grow, a place that had enough room for toys, books, and play. It seemed like a typical enough objective, as most couples with children want this. And even though the 1950s property they purchased had likely spanned generations as the setting for this type of dream, this pair couldn't picture their future amongst its history. The interior had seen a couple of interior renovations over the years, but the structure and the bones were all existing. Stained white oak flooring was used throughout the interior, which helped to bring the natural siding from the outdoors in. The house, as it stood, was an everyday suburban address, complete with a triangular roof that covered a simple single story. The goal was not only to provide more functional space, but to improve its overall quality and feel. Adding a new floor above an existing structure is always a challenge, both structurally and architecturally. But by maintaining the majority of the existing home's footprint, the proposed changes were feasible. The sloping roof provided the opportunity to gain a half upper story, which accommodates the master bedroom, ensuite, and office. The newly opened kitchen, dining, and living space connect the home from front to back. Operable windows on both ends allow for cross ventilation and unobstructed views too. A private master bedroom and ensuite were key to the renovation and include as much natural light as the ground floor. Benjamin Moore's white heron was used throughout the interiors to complement the light. Porcelain floor tiles and Caesar stone countertops encompass the master bathroom, which all includes a pair of Duravit sinks and aqua brass faucets.